Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because we are in for a wild ride. Ooh, that's pretty high. I like it. Oh shit, I had some stuff drop on me. It's dropping all over the place.
Yeah, they don't put...
Okay,
Yes.
Red Wave with Crackling Pistol. This is it. Are you gonna take these into the bar and show everybody?
You got earplugs?
Got my hands. Whoa! Quickly. Here we go. Oh, God, that one's up. I like the ones that sparkled out the end at the last minute. They just kept...
Silver glitter!
Silver glitter. Oh, that's a high one. It's different. They're all different. White to red.
White to red.
White to red. This is a pretty impressive pack, you know that? You're on your cigar, Jeff.
Ouch, that's hot.
Yes. White to red.
White to red.
White to red. Put his head right over the top of it. Ouch. White to red. Wow!
Oh.
Shit. Jack!
Shrapnel.
This one is called Jumbo Green Stars.
Jumbo Green Stars.
Jumbo Green Stars.
That rhymes with cigars.
Jumbo cigars. Here we go. My butt got cold from sitting down. Come on, baby. Here we go.
Jumbo.
Jumbo. World-class fireworks. Red and white wave. Shoots flaming balls.
Cheap flaming ball. Needless to say, no hairballs.
No hairballs. Now he carefully places the firework in the tube. Runs. And...
Oh, nice.
Wow.
That was a good one.
Nice
Wow. Screaming Eagle what?
No, that's not screaming, man. It's called crackling.
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 Cackling.
The chickens are thinking about this.
It's crackling. They're very descriptive.
The chickens are laying twice the eggs that they normally do.
Cogburn quit crowing. They're probably traumatized in there. Not a... I like it.
Green and crackling.
Green and cackling.
Green and crackling.
Green and crackle.
Crackling.
Green and crackling.
Green and crackling. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Ooh, high. That's pretty. You sit on your cigar again, Jeff? Oh, okay. It's like, woo! This one is green glitter with crackling pistol.
I like the way you say that.
A profusion of green and gold glittering shoots out of an array of exciting colors on this wonderful New Year's Eve. What do you think, June?
Well, somebody else has some too.
Yay! Happy New Year! I think we're all pretty old when we're shooting them off early. It's like, okay, New York. Woo! Well, that.
Wow.
It's called
This is a jumbo red stars.
Jumbo Red Star.
Jumbo red
No
stars.
pistols in this one. There's no pistols.
No
No
pistols.
pistols.
Woohoo!
Happy New Year!
Happy